To order a new card from Navy Federal, start by logging in to your online banking account or mobile app. If you do not have online access, you can enroll in online banking by visiting the Navy Federal website and following the prompts to create a username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Management section and select the option to order a new card. Choose the type of card you want to order, such as a debit card or credit card, and select the account associated with the card. Next, verify your address and contact information to ensure that your new card is sent to the correct location. You can also add a new address if needed. You will then be prompted to choose the design of your card. Navy Federal offers a variety of card designs, including standard designs and partner designs from organizations such as the NFL and NCAA. After selecting your card design, review and confirm your order. You will receive an email notification when your new card has been mailed, and you can expect to receive your card within 7 to 10 business days. If you need a new card immediately, you can visit a Navy Federal branch to have one issued on the spot. Some branches may have limited hours or availability, so it is a good idea to call ahead and confirm that they can issue a new card. It is also important to note that if your card has been lost or stolen, you should report it to Navy Federal as soon as possible to prevent unauthorized transactions. You can report a lost or stolen card by calling the customer service number on the back of your card or by logging in to your online banking account and using the Report a Lost or Stolen Card feature. Overall, ordering a new card from Navy Federal is a straightforward process that can be completed online, through the mobile app, or in person at a branch. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to protect your account, you can get a new card quickly and easily.